Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohanathnari. Now we are the discuss topic how to create a bubble chart in Excel software. Okay, this is a bubble chart in the tomato production. Okay, now we take the data set for the tomato production in the 11 years. Okay, this one for the variable in the year first, the second one variable for the hectare, third one variable for the production of tomato. Okay, with the data for the 2010 to 2020. Okay, the data collecting year and the cultivation hectare, the minimum for the 650, the maximum for the 1329. Okay, this is a tomato production for the calculated in the tons for the cultivation the hectare. Okay, now the created in the bubble chart Excel software used for the this data set. Okay, the data already entered in the next one sheet, so the select the data, the variable name and the data selected, go to the insert menu and select for the bubble chart options. Okay, the bubble chart options, the two different types. This is a 2D and the 3D. Now selected for the 2D bubble chart. Okay, then create in the bubble chart. Now the customized in the bubble chart. Okay, the year for the 2018 to the 2022. The calculate the year and hectare for the year for the x-axis and hectare for the y-axis. So the select for the element chart element options, the unclick for the guidelines. Okay, then data added. Okay, they select the bubble. Now the customized color for the bubbles, so the designing option change to the color options. The many color options, choose anyone. Okay, I select this one. Okay, then click for the right click or format options, go to the select format selections. Okay, this is the format selections. Another one for the fill the color, this also the customized in the color for the fill the color difference color. If you want like any color changes. Okay, change any one color. Okay, the next one for the choose the transparency options, the increase the transparency, the reduce the color. The next one border, I select the border color for the black. The width no changes. Okay, next select for the value, select for the bubble size and unclick for the y value, because the tomato production bubble size for the influence of the tomato productions, so the selected for the bubble size. Okay, then created for the border and the graph, the choose for fill and line options, select the border for the automatic to the customize the black color, the width 1.5. Okay, next selected for the y-axis and x-axis the title, select for the y-axis and x-axis. Double click, this is for the year. Okay, then y-axis title for the hectare for the tomato, hectare for cultivation, and the title of the tomato production for the ton, tomato. production per done. Okay, they select the whole the graph, change to the font style. This is a select for the home menu and font style for the time Roman and font size for the 12 and select color for the black. Okay, select the y-axis value, the minimum starting range for the 500 or 400. Okay, the starting 400 and the y-axis x-axis value selected the 2009 because the one value before added to the 2010. 2022. Okay. Okay, this is a creating method in the bubble chart for the X software. Okay, if you like videos, please click the subscription button and support to me. Join to our channel membership. This template file upload our Telegram channel. The Telegram channel link mentioned to the description box. Okay, thank you for watching this video.